session, we will discuss how we can delete instance variable within a class and outside the class. So how we can delete instance variable within a class and outside the class? We can delete instance variable by using del keyword. So using del keyword, we can delete instance variable. But we can delete instance variable within a class as follows. First of all, write the del keyword and then write the self dot variable name. So watch this diagram. If you want to delete instance variable within a class, so here we define one class demo. Inside the demo class, we are defining one constructor. Within a constructor, we are declared 5 instance variables. So here, now once you create the object of the class, at the time of object creation of a class, 5 instance variable will be added to this object. But suppose here we define one method, remove a. We want to delete a instance variable. If you want to delete, so what we have required to do, del self data. It means it will delete the instance variable whose name is a. So now after creation the object 5 attribute will be added, but once you call this method on that object, so this method delete this method delete the a instance variable from this object. So after calling this method, watch here, object contains only 4 instance variable, one instance variable will be deleted. So within a class we can delete instance variable by using del self dot instance variable name. But outside the class, if you want to delete, so how we can delete outside the class? If you want to delete instance variable outside the class, so watch this diagram. Here we are declaring inside the class we are declaring constructor. When you create the object of a class, at the time of object creation, 5 instance variable will be added to the object. But outside the class, if you want to delete any instance variable information, any instance variable if you want to delete, then you have required to write down del d1 data. It means then we have required to write down del object reference variable dot instance variable name. After this line execution, if you are trying to check this object having only 4 instance variable, one instance variable will be deleted. So in this way we can delete. Now comes in program and watch here. So now comes in program. Suppose here we define one class, demo class. Inside the demo class we declaring constructor, and inside the constructor we declaring instance variable self dot equal to 10, self dot b equal to 20, and self dot c equal to 30, and self dot d equal to 40, and self dot e equal to 50. Now we define one method, def remove a. So this method is used to removing the a instance variable value. This method is used to removing the a instance variable. So how we can delete? By using del keyword and then write the self dot a. Now comes out the class and create the object of a class. So here we create the object of class. Once you create the object of a class, 5 instance variable will be added to this object. Now watch here, d1 dot underscore underscore dictionary underscore underscore. Now save this application and check the output. So watch here, in this time instance variable added how many attributes? 5 attributes. Now we are trying to call remove a method. So d1 dot remove a. Once you call this method remove the a instance variable. Now we have required to check. Now d1 dot dictionary underscore dictionary underscore underscore dictionary underscore. Now save this application and run this application and check the output. So watch here, one instance variable will be deleted. So now this object having only 4 instance variable. So if you want to delete instance variable outside the class, so watch here, if you want to delete instance variable outside the class, you can delete by using del keyword and using object reference. So now here we writing del and d1 dot b. So now we want to delete b instance variable. So now save this application, and now we are trying to fetch the d1 object information. Now save this application and run this application and check the output. So watch here. Now b instance variable also deleted. Now this object having only three instance variable. Now this object having only three instance variable, two instance variable will be deleted. So I hope you will understand how we can delete instance variable. Now read this point. What point? The instance variable which are deleted from one object will not be deleted from other object, because for each object a separate copy will be maintained. So remember this point, instance variable will be maintained at object level, but for each object a separate copy will be maintained. If you delete two instance variable from one object, that instance variable will not be deleted from other object. So watch this diagram and try to understand. So suppose here we define one class demo. Inside the demo class we are defining constructor, and inside the constructor we are defining 5 instance variable. When you create the first object, it means one object will be created, and in this object 5 instance variable will be added. When you create another object, a separate memory will be allocated, and constructor of the class invoke, and 5 instance variable also will be added to this object, but a separate memory will be allocated for this object. Suppose if you delete one instance variable from D1 object, so it will delete instance variable A from D1 object, not a D2 object. So remember this point. If you display here, watch here, A instance variable deleted from D1 object, not a D2 object. D2 still contain 5 instance variable, but one instance variable will be deleted from D1 object. So now comes in program and check out. So watch here, we create how many objects? We have created only one object. Now we create another object d2 equal to demo. If you create another object, it means a new memory will be allocated, and that after creation of this object, 5 instance variable will be added to this object also. Now watch here, we delete 2 instance variable from d1 object, but check the d2 object information. Print d2 dot underscore underscore dictionary underscore underscore. Now save this application and run this application. Watch here, d2 object having all 5 instance variable, because we are not deleting any instance variable from d2 object. We are deleting all instance variable from d1 object. So remember this point, if you delete any instance variable from one object, that instance variable deleted only from that object, not a other object. So I hope you will understand. Thank you.